Oh boy! Come here, Play-Doh. Come here. Come here. Good morning. Come here.
We're enjoying watching them.
Play-Doh.
And he enjoys seeing you wet.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's hot out.
Yep. Come on, Iggy. Go on. Come on.
Hi. Say, come in the water and smell.
You got this. Let me do it. I'll show you. Step on your feet. You can, Iggy. Come on. Come on.
Sorry, we're sitting here watching the dog.
It is.
Yeah.
That black one's going to take the easy way.
Look at him. He's taking the way around. He's not going to go through the middle. That is hilarious.
I don't think the black one's going to do it.
Black one doesn't want to do it.
Oh, listen, Daddy. Oh.
Oh, there's a stick. I gotta go.
This water's so cold.
Come on.
Listen to him.
Come on. You got it over there.
That is hilarious.
Here. Come on.
Come on. That's funny. You get...
I guess they're going to have to go around and get him.
There you go. He's going up the hill.
There you go.
He figured it out. Look at this.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, he figured it out.